We are one company, powered by many forces, specialized divisions, united by purpose. Caster Concepts is our foundation, delivering uncompromising heavy-duty mobility where strength, durability, and reliability matter most. Aerol is our precision edge, the highly specified military division, engineered to exacting government standards and trusted in the most demanding operational environments. Conceptual Innovations is our catalyst, the engineering division focused on advanced automation and intelligent solutions that push what mobility can be. Together, these forces work as one, borrowing, refining, and building from each other to solve the most complex mobility challenges. When the work is heavy, the conditions are demanding, and failure isn't on the table, innovation reveals its true purpose: to move what others can't.